Okay, so it is rainy day today, and I don't know why. Suddenly, I felt like that I should have to enjoy something sweet, yummy, and creamy. So I came here to grab some ice cream. Now let's see what's there. There are so many options I know, and I know that I'm gonna get confused. But let's see what to grab. So there is a lot of options, and I'm still confused what to grab. Yeah, I can go for bars or cones or so many options. I think I should go for Ben & Jerry's today. Well, let's see. I think today it should be the day to have this guy. Yummy. So I was like still super confused, and so I changed it, swapped it with this one.